Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent English Pod, where we help you train your mind to think in English and speak fluently. I'm Dave with our co-host Emma.
Hey, we're so glad you're here. Whether you're listening on your way to work, while making dinner, or just winding down for the day, thanks for spending this time with us.
Whether you are a new listener or a long-time one, we welcome you to our English podcast. Let's hear our today's topic. Together, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly relevant for anyone looking to boost their English skills. Our top 5 tips to help you become fluent in English by 2025.
That's right. Whether you're just starting out or you've been speaking English for a while, these tips are designed to take your skills to the next level. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Our first tip focuses on immersing yourself in the language. And no, you don't need to move to an English-speaking country to do this. You can create an English-speaking environment right at home. Thanks to technology, the possibilities are endless. Imagine stepping into a virtual cafe where you can chat with others in English, virtual reality, VR environments, and immersive language apps are revolutionizing how we learn.
For an instance, you can use apps which let you join VR chat rooms that simulate everyday scenarios. A coffee shop, a bookstore, even a bustling market. You can practice ordering food or asking for directions in a safe, interactive environment. And if VR isn't your thing, there are simpler options. Watch movies and TV shows or listen to songs and podcasts in English. Choose a series that you absolutely love and watch it with English subtitles. You could even switch your phone's language to English. This way, you're hearing the pronunciation while seeing the words, which reinforces your understanding.
And let's not forget about music. Listening to English songs can be a fantastic way to improve your language skills. Try to understand the lyrics as you listen. And don't hesitate to look them up online. Singing along is not only enjoyable, but also an excellent way to practice pronunciation and rhythm. Find your favorite English song and sing along with it. It's okay to misplace the lyrics at first. What you can do is look into lyrics and sing along looking at the lyrics. You can feel a big difference and you will feel proud of yourself.
Another great method is finding language exchange partners online. Next time, when you send a friend request, make sure to send to someone in an English-based country. That way you can improve your language by texting and talking with that person. Not only that, there are platforms that let you connect with native speakers who are eager to learn your language. Regular conversations with them will give you real-life practice and boost your confidence in speaking.
Moving on to our second tip, setting realistic and measurable goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to feel like you're just spinning your wheels. In 2025, many language apps come with built-in progress trackers and milestones. Fluency doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you'll get there.
Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of making a vague statement like, "I want to be fluent," try to be specific. For example, you could say, "I want to learn 10 new vocabulary words each week." This approach is specific and achievable, making it much easier to track your progress.
And don't forget to celebrate small wins. Did you have a full conversation in English? That's a win. Did you understand a movie without subtitles? Another win. These little victories keep you motivated.
You can also utilize language learning apps which allow you to set daily goals and keep you motivated with reminders and rewards. These tools provide a structured learning path that can help guide you in your studies.
Language learning apps, which allow you to set daily goals and reward you for staying consistent. They provide a structured learning path that keeps you on track. And consider keeping a journal to note what you've learned each week. It's a great way to see how far you've come and reinforce your learning.
Our third tip is to practice speaking regularly. This is crucial for achieving fluency in any language. Consistency is key. Fluency isn't achieved overnight. It's a marathon, not a sprint.
Yes. Join a local English conversation club or practice in front of a mirror. It might feel a bit odd at first, but it's a great way to build your speaking skills. If you don't have anyone to practice with, talk to yourself. Describe your day, share your plans, or express your thoughts out loud. It's a fantastic way to build confidence.
If you don't have anyone to practice with, don't hesitate to talk to yourself. Describe your day, share your plans, or express your thoughts out loud. It may feel silly at first, but it's a fantastic way to build confidence and fluency.
Another effective strategy is recording yourself. Pick a topic, speak for a minute, and then listen back. This helps you identify areas for improvement, like pronunciation or grammar. You can also mimic native speakers. Choose a short clip from your favorite show, listen to it several times, and then try to repeat what you hear. This exercise will significantly improve your intonation and rhythm.
Additionally, try to mimic native speakers. Choose a short clip from your favorite show, listen to it several times, and then attempt to repeat what you hear. This exercise will significantly aid your intonation and rhythm.
Here's a pro tip. Think of language learning as a daily habit. Even 15 minutes of focused practice each day can lead to big improvements over time. I like to incorporate English into my daily routine by narrating my activities or journaling in English before bed. The key is to make practice a part of your everyday life and to be patient with yourself.
Our fourth tip is to harness technology to your advantage. There's an abundance of resources available at your fingertips. With AI advancements, language learning apps are more sophisticated than ever. In 2025, you'll find apps that not only quiz you on vocabulary, but also offer personalized conversation practice.
Think of language learning as a daily habit. Even 15 minutes of focused practice each day can lead to big improvements over time. I like to incorporate English into my daily routine by narrating my activities or journaling in English before bed. The key is to make practice a part of your everyday life and to be patient with yourself. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small, and don't be discouraged by mistakes.
Plus, let's not underestimate the power of social media. Follow English-speaking influencers or join English-speaking groups on platforms like Facebook or Reddit. Engaging with others in these spaces can provide you with real-life context that enriches your learning experience.
Absolutely. Explore podcasts, YouTube channels, and online courses. For example, you might find channels like ours dedicated to English learning. Tools like ChatGPT can help you practice dialogue or explain tricky idioms. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7.
Finally, our fifth tip is think and learn phrases, not just words. Start thinking in English. It might sound strange, but it's a powerful way to improve fluency.
And if you're a fan of gaming, consider joining English-speaking gaming communities on platforms like Discord. Or if you love books, sites like Goodreads offer discussions in English that can expand your vocabulary. Engaging in these communities not only boosts your language skills, but also exposes you to different accents and cultural nuances.
And learn phrases, not just individual words. Fluency isn't about knowing every word in the dictionary. It's about using the right words in the right context.
Yeah, instead of translating from your native language, try to form thoughts directly in English. For example, if you're at a coffee shop, think, "I'll order a cappuccino," instead of thinking it in your language first. And if you're stuck, don't worry. Start small. Think about simple things like, "Can I have the menu, please?" or "Cappuccino, please."
Love that. Another example, instead of saying, "I don't understand," try, "I'm not following you." It sounds more natural in a conversation. And remember, it's perfectly okay to make mistakes. Don't let fear hold you back. Every mistake is simply an opportunity to learn and grow. Celebrate your progress no matter how small it may seem.
Good point. Even if you can dedicate just 15 minutes each day, that's far more beneficial than cramming all your study into one long session once a week. Consistency is the key to success.
I know that you have learned multiple new words today, and I believe that our listeners will start practicing English with the words that learned from the podcast itself. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more tips and tricks, and we would love to hear about your progress, so feel free to share with us.
And we hope the tips will become in handy. Remember, the journey to fluency is unique for everyone, so it's important to find what works best for you personally.